Ever crave that iconic Costco hot dog experience, but can't make it to the warehouse? Stick around, because today we're unlocking the secrets to homemade Costco perfection. Our star ingredient, and the #1 secret, is none other than Kirkland signature beef hot dogs. Sold exclusively at Costco, you'll also need a package of good quality hot dog buns. For equipment, you'll need a large pot for boiling your hot dogs and a medium saucepan for warming your buns. First, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Gently place your Kirkland signature hot dogs into the boiling water. Let them boil for a good 5 to 7 minutes. This is crucial for achieving that signature snap and juicy texture. We're not looking to cook them from raw, but rather to heat them through and plump them up. While the dogs are boiling, grab your medium saucepan and fill it with about 1 inch of water. Bring this to a simmer over medium heat. Carefully place your hot dog buns, cut side down. On top of the simmering water, cover the saucepan. Let those buns steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is our secret to achieving that incredibly soft and warm bun, just like at Costco. Once your hot dogs have boiled, carefully remove them from the water and place them on a plate for a moment. Now for the assembly. Take one of your perfectly steamed buns and a hot dog. Generously apply your favorite condiments for that authentic Costco taste. We recommend a classic combination of ketchup and mustard. And there you have it, your very own homemade Costco hot dog, ready to be enjoyed anywhere, anytime.